Hello friends, welcome to Tech Freak. So friends, in the previous video, we take the backup of our data folder and the database and do all the pre-migration steps which we need to upgrade the database. So I write the steps. So these are the steps which we need to run for migration of our 6.2 to 7.2. So it could be a big video, but we will try to run all the steps. And for this I created a setup of DXP. So this is a vanilla Liferay DXP. So if you don't know how to install Liferay DXP, I created a video already. So I will post the link in the description and in the cards. You can see before this video. So this is our Liferay DXP, which is connected to this database. Let's open the database. So this is my old database 6.2 and this is the DXP database. So let's start all the steps one by one. So let me open the notepad. So the first step is verify MySQL connector jar. So this jar must be available inside Tomcat lib ext. So as you can see, I have this MySQL jar, so you can also verify. And if you are using like MySQL 8, then the jar is accordingly with the MySQL 8. So this is our first step. The second is creating a new database. So let's open HideSQL and let me just create a new database. I name as Liferay migration. So this is my database. The third step is import the backup in the new database. So we have this backup. Let's import to this Liferay migration database. Click on this query, right click, load SQL file, and open. Now click on this play button. Let me refresh. So now as you can see inside the Liferay migration, we have all the data. Let's check one of the table. So data is successfully migrated inside this database. So now step number 4, create a new file, portal setup wizard.properties, and paste the database properties. So this is my setup wizard. And give the database name as Liferay migration. So now copy the document library folder from 6.2 to DXP, and if you have images folder, then you can also copy the images folder. So this is our backup. Inside data folder we have this document library, so just copy and this is our DXP setup. So we already have this folder, so let me just delete and paste the document library folder. So this is successfully inside. So after this we need to create one file inside the config folder. So let me just copy the name, Ctrl C, and create one file and save as. So this is the file indexed. Let me just open this, and inside this we need to write index read only true. So this is one of our file. Let me just close all the others. So we successfully created this file. Similarly, we need to create one more file, disable or auto upgrade. So this is the name of the file, and inside this file we need to write auto upgrade equals to false. So similarly, let me just first copy the name, so this file is also created, and just write auto upgrade equals to false and save. So now as you can see, we have this file index status manager configuration, and the second one is this. So let's open both and one more time verify. So yeah, one file contain this auto upgrade equals to false, and second file contain index read only true. So now we are at step 8. So in this we need to configure the upgrade tool. So upgrade tool is already available. So inside the tool folder we have this upgrade tool. So this contains these files. So let's open one by one. So first one is app server.properties. So this is my app server.properties. Just add it. So inside this we have various servers. So I am using currently Tomcat. So I just need to uncomment the properties which is related with the Tomcat. And save. Similarly for the portal upgrade database properties, so I am using MySQL. Provide the path, and I'm using the database 5.7. So I use these properties for 5.7. So I have this driver class name, and in place of L portal we have Liferay migration, the database name. So after that we need to change the portal upgrade ext properties, which is this one. So just uncomment this and paste the other two properties. So this one, DL store IMPL, is actually an optional property. So if you are using advanced file system for storing the images, then you can apply this, otherwise you can simply remove this. So I am not using this, so I just remove this. So now we already completed our step number 8 with this property. So now we need to check the build number. Copy this query and run on the database which you are using. I just So as you can see, it is 6.05, so we are using Liferay 6.2. So this is accordingly with Liferay. So now our final step is run the upgrade file. So let me show you where it is. So this is our DB upgrade for Windows and this is for Linux. So let me just show you the content. So as you can see, this file contains this kind of things. So Java jar and all the things. So you can increase the memory so that the process is fast. So let me just increase this parameter. So now your upgrade tool is also updated. You can also run with the predefined values, but by using this, the upgrade process will be fast. So now our almost all the steps are complete. We need to just run the upgrade tool.